Teaching swimming to dogs can be a beneficial and enjoyable experience for both the dog and the owner, but it's essential to consider several factors before starting. 1. Safety. Not all dogs are natural swimmers, and some breeds may struggle in water due to their body structure. Always prioritize safety and closely supervise your dog during swimming lessons to prevent accidents. 2. Health. If your dog has any medical conditions, consult with a veterinarian before introducing them to swimming. Swimming can be an excellent low-impact exercise for dogs with joint issues, but it's essential to ensure it's safe for their specific situation. 3. Comfort level. Some dogs may be afraid of water or have a negative association with it. It's crucial to introduce water gradually and ensure the dog is comfortable before proceeding with swimming lessons. 4. Positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement techniques to encourage and reward your dog during swimming lessons. Making the experience fun and rewarding can help your dog associate swimming with a positive experience. 5. Swimming location. Choose a safe and controlled environment for your dog to learn to swim, such as a shallow pool or a calm body of water with minimal currents. Avoid introducing them to open water without adequate training and safety measures. 6. Life vests. For dogs who are still learning to swim or those with low buoyancy, using a canine life vest can provide added safety and confidence. 7. Patience. Teaching a dog to swim may require patience and consistency. Not all dogs will take to the water immediately, so be prepared for a gradual learning process. Ultimately, if you take the necessary precautions, ensure your dog's well-being, and make the experience positive and enjoyable, teaching swimming to your dog can be a great way to provide exercise and mental stimulation. It's also an excellent opportunity for you to bond with your furry friend.